Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Updates. The 2025 Toyota Century commands attention with its stately presence. It retains the timeless, upright silhouette that defines the Century lineage, but with a more contemporary touch. The front grille is large and imposing, featuring a chrome-accented mesh design that reflects elegance and strength. The headlights are sleek, adopting a sharp, angular design with LED technology for enhanced visibility. The hood ornament, a meticulously crafted phoenix, remains a signature touch, symbolizing the car's status and heritage. The long wheelbase ensures a balanced stance, while the side profile is marked by subtle character lines and chrome window trim, emphasizing the car's understated elegance. The rear design is clean and sophisticated, with LED taillights connected by a chrome strip that runs across the trunk lid, reinforcing the Century's wide and stable appearance. The 2025 Century rides on 20-inch alloy wheels, finished in a polished silver tone that complements the overall exterior design. The doors are fitted with soft-close mechanisms for a smooth, effortless closing experience. The rear doors open wide to provide easy access to the back seats, a crucial feature for a chauffeur-driven vehicle. The paint finish is applied using a multi-layer process that ensures a deep, reflective shine. Each Century is hand-finished by skilled craftsmen to meet Toyota's highest quality standards. Step inside the 2025 Toyota Century, and you're immediately immersed in an atmosphere of luxury and tranquility. The cabin is designed to provide the utmost comfort for both the driver and the passengers, especially those in the rear. The seats are upholstered in premium wool, an intentional choice over leather to reflect Japanese tradition and comfort. For those who prefer leather, semi-aniline leather is available as an option. The rear seats offer reclining functionality with massage options, allowing passengers to relax during long journeys. Each seat is carefully crafted to provide optimal support and cushioning, using memory foam and adjustable lumbar support. The dashboard layout is minimalist yet sophisticated, featuring a large 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14-inch infotainment screen with Toyota's latest multimedia interface. The system includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a premium audio system developed in collaboration with JBL. The cabin is insulated with soundproof glass and acoustic materials, creating a whisper-quiet environment even at highway speeds. Ambient lighting with customizable color options adds to the calming atmosphere, while rear seat passengers enjoy a separate climate control system with personalized settings. Powering the 2025 Century is a 3.5-liter V6 hybrid powertrain paired with an electric motor, producing a combined output of 425 horsepower. The hybrid system is designed to deliver seamless power delivery and improved fuel efficiency, ensuring that the Century glides effortlessly on the road. The continuously variable transmission, CVT, ensures smooth acceleration, while the all-wheel drive system provides stability and confidence in all weather conditions. The adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts to road surfaces, delivering a plush ride without sacrificing handling precision. The steering is finely tuned to provide light but responsive feedback, making the Century surprisingly easy to maneuver despite its size. The regenerative braking system not only enhances efficiency, but also provides a smooth, consistent braking feel. The hybrid system allows for electric-only driving at low speeds, contributing to a quieter and more refined driving experience. Toyota has incorporated an advanced torque vectoring system that enhances cornering performance, giving the Century a balanced and composed feel even on winding roads. The 2025 Century comes equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense suite, offering a comprehensive range of driver assistance features. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with steering assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. A 360-degree camera system provides a bird's-eye view of the vehicle, aiding in tight parking situations. The Century also features a driver monitoring system that alerts the driver if signs of fatigue are detected, adding an extra layer of safety. Rear seat passengers have access to a touchscreen control panel embedded in the center armrest, allowing them to adjust seat position, climate settings, and entertainment options. Rear doors are fitted with privacy shades, and the rear cabin includes a built-in refrigerator and folding tables, making the Century an ideal environment for work or relaxation. The sound system features 20 speakers strategically placed throughout the cabin to create a surround sound experience. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed reviews of the latest cars and SUVs. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Century and which features impressed you the most. See you in the next video.